Hello, digital pioneers, and welcome back to The Critical Productions, your gateway to the forefront of technology. Today, we're unraveling the complexities of language models, the masterminds behind the conversations with our favorite AI assistants. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech deep dives, and tap the notification bell to never miss a beat in the tech rhythm. Let's boot up. Language models are not just another piece of software, they're the evolving intellect of artificial linguistics. But before we decode the intricacies, let's understand the question at the heart of our discussion: what exactly are language models? In the simplest terms, a language model is an algorithmic engine that learns the patterns of human language and generates text that mirrors human-like speech or writing. These models have absorbed the nuances from a vast expanse of literature, web pages, and even our everyday banter. The evolution of these models is nothing short of a digital renaissance. From early statistical models that struggled with the cat sat on the, to today's neural network-based giants that can continue this video script without missing a beat. The current kingpins in this arena are models like GPT-4, a towering testament to how far we've come. With an ability to comprehend context, generate narratives, and even simulate reasoning, they're the polymaths of the digital world. Language models have roles, from writing assistants to coding help. They're behind the email suggestions that magically finish your sentences and the chatbots that support you 24/7. But it's not just about writing and chatting. These models are now artists of code, helping to debug, suggest code snippets, and even write programs. They are becoming the Rosetta Stone of programming languages. Their reach has also expanded into education, where they personalize learning experiences by providing explanations, generating practice problems, and even grading assignments. However, as they shape the very fabric of communication, there's a critical circuit to this tech: ethics. The responsibility of using these tools wisely lies in our hands. We must ensure the text generated is free from biases, respects privacy, and fosters constructive engagement. As we integrate these models more into our lives, we continue to push the boundaries of AI-human collaboration. They're not just tools, they're becoming companions in our digital odyssey. The possibilities are expanding exponentially. Will we have digital authors, philosophers, or even digital entities capable of passing as humans in a conversation? The potential is both exhilarating and daunting. The canvas of the future is vast, and with language models, we're painting its portrait with the brushstrokes of human intellect and machine efficiency. And with that thought, we wrap up today's exploration into language models. What are your thoughts on how these AI entities are reshaping our interaction with technology? Let's discuss this in the comments below. Thank you for tuning into The Critical Productions. Remember to like, share, and explore our playlist for more tech insights. Until our next session, keep coding, keep creating, and never stop learning.